Pattaya. The name itself is synonymous with the wildest nightlife on the planet. But as we move through 2026, the city is undergoing a massive transformation. What used to be a simple party town has evolved into a complex, multi-layered beast. If you show up here thinking it's still the same as it was 5 years ago, you're going to miss the best spots, and quite frankly, you're probably going to get ripped off. Today, I'm taking you behind the neon lights to show you the Pattaya Nightlife Guide for 2026, the version that no one tells you. When most people think of Pattaya, they think of one place: Walking Street. And while it remains the pulsing heart of the city's tourism, the 2026 version is a different animal. It's flashier, louder, and more corporate than ever. Giant LED screens now wrap around the buildings, and the world-class clubs like Republic and 808 have leveled up their production to rival Vegas or Ibiza. But here's what no one tells you. Walking Street is now the most expensive place to drink in the city. If you're just looking to party, you'll pay a premium for that iconic location. The secret to a good night here is front-loading. Hit the smaller side swas for a few cheaper drinks before committing to the big room clubs around midnight. If you want the real Pattaya vibe in 2026, you have to look toward Soy Buakhao and LK Metro. This area has officially dethroned Walking Street as the place where the long-stayers and savvy travelers hang out. LK Metro is like a more compact, more intense version of the main strip, but with better prices and a slightly more relaxed atmosphere. It's also where you'll find some of the best live music in the city. The bars here aren't just about the spectacle, they're about the community. You can actually sit down, have a conversation, and not feel like you're just another wallet in a crowd. Then there is Soy 6. This is the street that usually gets left out of the glossy brochures, or mentioned only in whispers. It's a narrow lane packed from end to end with afternoon bars. It's chaotic, it's colorful, and it can be incredibly intimidating for a first-timer. Right? The girls and staff here are some of the most forward in the world. What no one tells you is that it's actually a great place for a casual afternoon drink if you have a sense of humor and a thick skin. Just remember the golden rule of Soy 6. Don't take photos. In 2026, security is tighter than ever, and those no camera signs aren't suggestions. Before we dive into the hidden gems and the scams you need to avoid this year, I want to make sure you're fully prepared. Please check the description below for everything you'll need for the perfect trip. I've included links to all the places mentioned in this video, and most importantly, a link to a completely free travel planner. It's a detailed guide that helps you map out your nights and days, so you don't waste time wandering around. It is totally free, so make sure to grab that before you head out. Now, let's talk about the sophisticated side of 2026. Pattaya has seen a massive boom in rooftop bars and beach clubs. Places like Sky Bar Summer Club and Virgin Rooftop have changed the skyline. These aren't the beer bars of old. These are high-end venues with dress codes and premium cocktails. If you want a break from the madness of the streets, head to North Pattaya or the Pratamnak Hill area. You get panoramic views of the bay and a vibe that feels more like Saint-Tropez than Southeast Asia. It's the perfect spot for a sunset drink before the neon lights of the city start calling your name. But with all this growth comes a few things you need to be careful of. The scams in 2026 have become more subtle. Everyone knows about the overpriced taxi or the jet ski scam, but the new one to watch out for is the digital bill. Many bars have moved to tablet-based ordering. Always, and I mean always, check your physical tab or the digital running total before you pay. It's very easy for a few lady drinks or extra rounds to accidentally find their way onto your bill in a busy club. Also, be aware of the 2026 regulations regarding e-cigarettes and certain substances. Thailand's laws have been shifting rapidly, and what was gray area last year might land you a heavy fine today. One of the best-kept secrets of current Pattaya nightlife is the rise of the gentlemen's clubs tucked away in the darker corners of the city, like Soy Boomerang. These are more exclusive, lounge-style venues that offer a completely different experience from the high-energy clubs. They're often air-conditioned, feature comfortable seating, and provide a much more VIP feel without the VIP price tag of the major nightclubs. If you're looking for a place to actually relax while still being in the heart of the action, these are the hidden gems you should be looking for. As the night winds down, usually around 3 or 4 a.m., the action shifts toward the street food stalls. This is a crucial part of the Pattaya experience. The intersection of South Pattaya Road and 2nd Road becomes a makeshift food court for thousands of revelers. This is where you'll find the best pad thai and grilled meats in the city. It's also the best place for people watching. You'll see everyone from high-flying club owners to backpackers sharing a plastic table. It's the great equalizer of Pattaya nightlife. What no one tells you about Pattaya is that it's a city of choices. You can have a 5-star luxury evening on a rooftop or a wild neon-soaked adventure in a back alley. The key is to know where you're going and what to expect. 2026 is a year of balance for this city. It's cleaner and more modern, but the edge is still there if you know where to look. If you found this guide helpful and want to see more deep dives into the world's best travel destinations, make sure to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell to get notified every time I release a new video. There's a lot more coming from Thailand and beyond, and you won't want to miss it. Safe travels, and I'll see you in the next one.